In this first example, we have a vSphere customer. This customer is not currently running the Aria Suite Lifecycle or Aria Operations. For this customer, the upgrade begins by first transitioning to VLCM images. Once they are using VLCM images, they can then go in and complete their vSphere upgrade. This is a two-step upgrade where they will first upgrade the vCenter server, then they will upgrade the ESX host in their vSphere clusters. Once the vSphere upgrade is completed, they will then download and deploy an instance of the new VCF 9 installer. Once the VCF 9 installer has been deployed, they will then download the VCF 9 binaries. At this point, they will connect to the VCF installer to orchestrate their VCF 9 upgrade. The VCF installer provides a wizard-driven UI that will prompt for the required information necessary to perform the upgrade. Once the information has been provided, it does a validation to ensure that the environment is ready to be upgraded. When you begin the upgrade, it first starts by converging the existing vCenter server into the VCF management domain. It will then deploy an instance of VMware NSX. It will then configure the SDDC Manager appliance. It will deploy an instance of the VCF Fleet Management appliance, along with an instance of the VCF Operations and a VCF Operations collector. Optionally, it can also deploy an instance of VCF Automation. Note that if you choose not to deploy an instance of VCF Automation at this time, it can always be deployed later as a day 2 operation. Once the installer has completed the upgrade, you will need to relicense the environment for VCF 9. This is done using VCF Operations. This completes your upgrade, and you can now move on to any post-upgrade activities, such as deploying an instance of VCF logs, deploying an external identity broker appliance, configuring VCF SSO, enabling vCenter linking, or deploying other components such as VCF Operations for Networks or HCX.